Welcome back, students. Hello, my dear students. Before starting the topic, I want to tell you that see this video carefully. Share it when you are going to share it. After viewing this video, share this video with your friends and relatives, and don't forget about the subscription. Subscribe my video on YouTube. Now we are going to see our topic. In the previous lecture we have started topic derivative of parametric function. Same topic we will continue. See exercise 1.4 sub question 3. First question I have written here. See the question. If x equal to a under root sec theta minus tan theta, x is given. Y is given, y equal to a under root sec theta plus tan theta. Two functions are given separately. It means question is based on parametric function. And here we have to prove that dy by dx is minus y upon x. Now take the first one. First function, let x is equal to a under root sec theta minus tan theta. Now differentiate this function with respect to theta because theta is a parameter. Differentiate with respect to theta. What is dx by d theta? A constant, multiple of the function. Keep it outside. A into d by d theta of root sec theta minus tan theta. A derivative of root sec theta minus tan theta. Which formula is applicable here? Derivative of root fx. What is the derivative of root fx? That is 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash x. What is fx? Sec theta minus tan theta. So this becomes 1 upon 2 root sec theta minus tan theta into d by d theta of sec theta minus tan theta is equal to a derivative of sec theta. This is the standard formula. Derivative of sec theta is sec theta into tan theta minus derivative of tan theta. What is the derivative of tan theta? That is sec square theta. Derivative of tan theta is sec square theta divided by 2 under root sec theta minus tan theta equal to a sec theta tan theta minus sec square theta. Common is sec theta. Sec theta common ले तो ब्रैकेट में क्या रहेगा? tan theta minus sec theta. But here is sec theta minus tan theta. So take minus sec theta common. So minus a sec theta. If we take minus sec theta common, this term comes first. That is sec theta. Sec square theta में से sec theta रहेगा. Sec theta common यहाँ पे रहेगा tan theta. It becomes minus upon under root sec theta minus tan theta. Now see, for example, x upon root x. X upon root x is root x. So sec theta minus tan theta upon root sec theta minus tan theta is root sec theta minus tan theta. So this term becomes minus a sec theta into root sec theta minus tan theta. Remember is x upon root x upon root x upon root x. This root x get cancelled. That is root x. In the similar manner, sec theta minus tan theta upon root sec theta minus tan theta is root sec theta minus tan theta. But a root sec theta minus tan theta is x. So this is dx by d theta. So what is dx by d theta? Dx by d theta is equal to, its value is x minus a root sec theta minus tan theta minus minus a into root sec theta minus tan theta is x into sec theta minus x into sec theta. This is the value of dx by d theta. Now find dy by d theta from the another function y. Now y is equal to a under root sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, here also we have to differentiate in the similar manner. Differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Derivative of y with respect to theta is dy by d theta. A into d by d theta of root sec theta plus tan theta. Here also we have to use the formula. Derivative of root fx is 1 upon 2 root fx into f dash x. So it becomes a upon 2 root sec theta plus, I think here 2 is remaining. Here is 2. This is also a by 2. Here is also a by 2. Root sec theta plus tan theta into d by d theta of sec theta plus tan theta is equal to a. Derivative of sec theta is sec theta into tan theta plus derivative of tan theta is sec square theta upon 2 under root sec theta plus tan theta. What is common here in numerator? Sec theta, tan theta and sec square theta. So sec theta is common. So a into sec theta, पहले a टर्म लिखिए, sec theta plus tan theta upon 2 under root sec theta plus tan theta. Again here see here x upon root x is equal to factors of x root x into root x. Root x will cancel, it is simplification is root x. Here sec theta plus tan theta upon root sec theta plus tan theta is root sec theta plus tan theta. So it is a upon 2 sec theta into root sec theta plus tan theta. But a root sec theta plus tan theta is equal to y. So this becomes y upon 2 sec theta. Y upon 2 sec theta. This is the value of dy by d theta. Now we have to find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? Y upon 2 sec theta and dx by d theta is minus x upon 2 sec theta. These two get cancelled, sec theta get cancelled. It is minus y upon x. Here we have to show that dy by dx is minus y upon x. Any problem regarding to this? From the function x, we find dx by d theta. From the function y, we find here dy by d theta. Derivative of parametric function की definition use करो, dy by d theta upon dx by d theta will get required minus y upon x. In dx by d theta you have to adjust x, and in dy by d theta you have to adjust y. Then you will get required. Okay? Any problem? Now we will take the second sum. Okay, now we will take the next one. If x equal to e raised to sin 3t, if x equal to e raised to sin 3t and y equal to e raised to cos 3t. Then show that dy by dx is equal to minus y log x upon x log y. Okay, we have to do it. Two functions are given, x and y. First of all, we have to find dy by dx and show that dy by dx is minus y log x upon x log y. Take the first function x. Let x equal to e raised to sin 3t. हमें इसमें प्रूव करना है तो इसमें log है, so apply log here. So this becomes log x is equal to log e raised to sin 3t. So this shift the power sin 3t into log e, but log e is equal to 1. So log x is equal to sin 3t. Okay, and now differentiate this. We have to find dx by dt. Differentiate with respect to t, because t is a parameter. Differentiate with respect to t. So d by dt of log x is equal to d by dt of sin 3t. Derivative of log x with respect to t. First derivative of log x is 1 upon x into derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt. Derivative of sin 3t, sin fx का derivative cos fx into f dash x. Sin 3t का derivative cos 3t into d by dt of 3t. So dx by dt is equal to derivative of 3t is 3, x का cross multiplication दीजिए 3x cos 3t. This is dx by dt. Take another function y. Also y equal to e raised to cos 3t. Okay, taking log. दोनों साइड में log लीजिए. Taking log to both sides. Log y equal to log e raised to cos 3t. Shift the power as a coefficient, so it becomes cos 3t into log e, but log e is equal to 1. So log y is equal to cos 3t into 1. So function log y equal to cos 3t. Now here t is a parameter, so differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. What is the derivative of log y? Here d by dt of log y is equal to d by dt of cos 3t. Derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dt. Derivative of cos 3t, derivative of cos fx is minus sin fx into f dash x. Derivative of cos 3t is minus sin 3t into dy by dt of 3t. Derivative of 3t is 3, so it is minus 3 sin 3t. Cross multiplication कीजिए, so dy by dt is equal to minus 3 this y sin 3t. Now use the derivative of parametric function. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. What is dy by dt? Minus 3y sin 3t, and dx by dt is, what is dx by dt? 3x cos 3t. 3 cancel. So dy by dx minus y into sin 3t upon x into cos 3t. Okay, now here, see, simplify, say this equation 1 and another one is this equation 2. From equation 1, sin 3t equal to log x. So this is log x and cos 3t equal to log y. So this is dy by dx is equal to minus y sin 3t equal to log x minus y log x upon x cos 3t equal to log y by equation 1 and 2, which is the required value. Isn't it? We have proved dy by dx is minus y log x upon x log y. Okay, by using the derivative of parametric function, we have proved. Okay, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट सम लेते हैं, थर्ड वन. The next one. Now see, if x is equal to log 1 plus t square, log 1 plus t square, y equal to t minus tan inverse t. Then show that dy by dx is equal to under root e raised to x minus 1 upon 2. We have to prove it. Two functions are given. On right hand side t is a parameter, so differentiate both the functions with respect to t. Find dx by dt, dy by dt, and then use the derivative of parametric function and show that dy by dx is equal to e raised to under root e raised to x minus 1 upon. Now we take one by one. First function, let x is equal to log of 1 plus t square. Now here t is a parameter, so differentiate with respect to parameter t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt. Here d by dt of log of 1 plus t square. Which formula is applicable here? Derivative of log fx. What is the derivative of log fx? That is 1 upon fx into f dash x. So its derivative is 1 upon 1 plus t square into d by dt of 1 plus t square. So what is dx by dt? Derivative of 1 is 0, 1 is constant, derivative of constant term is 0, derivative of t square is 2t upon 1 plus t square. Therefore, dx by dt is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Now take another function also, y equal to t minus tan inverse t. Differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to t. What is dy by dt? dy by dt of t minus tan inverse t. Okay, dy by dt is equal to derivative of t with respect to t is 1 minus derivative of tan inverse t. This is the standard formula. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. In the similar manner, derivative of tan inverse t is 1 upon 1 plus t square. Take LCM 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square into 1 plus t square minus 1. This one get cancelled. dy by dt is equal to t square upon 1 plus t square. Use the derivative of parametric function. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. What is dy by dt? T square upon 1 plus t square, and dx by dt is 2t upon 1 plus t square. दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, 1 plus t square get cancelled. So what is dy by dx is equal to t square upon 2t. एक t cancel होगा, that is t upon 2. But RHS वही नहीं है. RHS is under root e raised to x minus 1 upon 2. 2 is there. It means you have to show that t is equal to under root e raised to x minus 1. Now see this. Okay, now x is equal to log of 1 plus t square. Now convert this logarithmic into exponential. Okay, this becomes e raised to x is equal to 1 plus e square. Therefore, e raised to x minus 1 is equal to t square. Therefore, t equal to under root e raised to x minus 1. Put in equation 1, dy by dx, the value of t under root e raised to x minus 1 upon Isn't it? Can you solve a similar problem? Let's take one more sum. Okay. Any problem regarding to this? I have taken 3 types of sums. I think you definitely understood this. Any problem? Call me on WhatsApp. One thing I want to tell you that I am reminding you all to that after viewing this video, share and subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video.